In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most effective bodyweight workouts you can do to help you build a bigger chest right there at home. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now, I want to get started by going into this workout first, but for those people who are interested, I will talk more about exactly why this workout is so effective, because one of the main strategies that we use in this workout is called isometric contraction. But let's get into today's workout. We're going to just use push-ups, and you're going to see that push-ups will be good enough for most people. And what you're going to do is you're going to do 5 reps, okay? So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to hold it at the bottom of your push-up, but you're not touching the ground. So you go here and you hold it there for 5 seconds, and you can push your hands towards each other to contract your chest even more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go for another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you hold it at the bottom again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and within a few reps or sets of that, you're going to start feeling your chest burn. Now, before I talk about why this is so effective, the workout is pretty straightforward. You do that 5 reps, 5 seconds isometric contraction hold, and you do as many of that as you can in 4 minutes. Okay, rest when you need rest, and you will need rest. Okay, so I normally like to try and go for failure, and then I would rest 20 seconds to 30 seconds, go to failure, and I will continue that until the 4 minutes is up. That is your workout all done. Now, guys, this is an advanced workout strategy. Only do this once, maybe twice a week if you are advanced. But why is it so effective? Well, as you will find out when you do it, after about 3 or 4 rounds, you start to get that burning sensation in your chest, okay? That is your body starting to build up lactic acid. Now, once your body starts producing lactic acids in a specific muscle, your body, as a recovery response, and specifically your endocrine system, will start releasing human growth hormone. And human growth hormone is great for building muscle. And that is the strategy behind this specific workout. Now, there are many different ways that you can bring this into play, but try this workout first. I promise you'll find out this is one of the toughest chest workouts that you've ever done, and you will start seeing some great results. And that is why my guys in the Bodyweight Evolution muscle building version has a real love-hate relationship with this workout, because it is so tough, but it is extremely effective. So there you go, guys. Try it out. Let me know how you get on. As always, click on the like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And until the next time, remember, have fun out there and keep it simple.